without the knowledge of their past history, origin, and culture is like a tree without roots. We, the people of Salem branch, like to take a few seconds to take you all through the historical and cultural root of our very own city. Salem, historically known as Salem, located in the banks of Thirumanimutharu and surrounded by hills in the 6th largest urban agglomeration in the state by population and the 5th largest city in Tamil Nadu by area, which covers an area of 124 square kilometers. Salem has its affiliation with history through being a part of Chera dynasty and later a part of Vijayanagara empires. Salem was also a trade route with the Roman Empire. Salem was ceded to the British in 1768. Salem district was the first district to be formed in India on 4th April 1792 that spread over 7,530 square meters comprising the present-day Namakkal, Dharmaburi and Krishnagiri districts. Alexander Reid was the collector of Salem district from 1792 to 1799. Salem, apart from its historical importance, also has some other cultural and natural importance. The belt of Salem is so famous for its weaving. Peasants and weavers forms the major part of Salem's trade industry. Modern Theatres, the oldest and well-equipped film studio which made many stalwarts in Indian cinema, is a Salem-based film company. The Malgova mango, which is famous across the globe for its unmatchable taste, belongs to Salem. One of the Navaratna of Indian public sector undertakings is our very own Salem steel plant. Erkat and Kolli Hills are two hill stations that are so popular among the tourists and travelers across South India. One of the largest in India and the largest dam of Tamil Nadu, Mettur Dam, is located in Salem. It provides water for irrigation to all the delta districts, which are the major cultivators of paddy in the country. Salem is also now under the scheme of Smart City and rated as one of the cities to lead peaceful life with low cost of living. It was the year 1961, 10 years earlier to the formation of branch in Salem. The concept of regional branches was not even in the stage of embryo in central and regional level. We took the very first step for this in Salem. A society called Salem District Chartered Accountants Association was formed in the year 1961 and duly got registered under the Societies Registration Act. CAG Shankaran Iyer was the first president. CAVV Soundararajan and CAP Natarajan were vice presidents. CAG Ranganathan was the secretary. It was inaugurated by the then president of ICAI, CAB Brahmaiah, alongside other senior chartered accountants CAM Srinivasa Iyengar, Central Council member, CAD Rangaswamy, CAV Soundararajan with SIRC Secretary CA Shankar, and other members CAG Narayanasamy and CAPB Vijayaraghavan. This society is the forerunner in many of the activities. The society organized a lot of seminars with speakers from Madras, Bangalore and other places who were very famous during that time. The society organized a regional seminar at that time and invited the then Minister of State for Finance, Government of India, Mr. K.C. Pant and Mr. Vidyacharan Shukla. During the function, a representation was made to the ministers that Salem Income Tax Office with 12 officers required an inspecting assistant commissioner. Immediately on the floor, they announced a new office is sanctioned and to be governed by the inspecting assistant commissioner from Madras. Salem became a self-regulated body of the income tax department from then on. There is also another significant work done by this society. During 1968, Section 40A subsection 3 was brought in the statute book, wherein any payment over 2,500 rupees in cash was disallowed, a big blow to agriculture and trader assessees. Senior members CAK Sivaramakrishnan, CAB Jagadishan, CAG Ranganathan, CA Varadarajan, CAVS Parthasarathi, with the aid of Mr. R.T. Parthasarathi, then sitting MP from Salem, made a representation to Ministry of Finance to redress the situation in which agriculturists and traders facing a huge blow who does not have a bank account. Then, with the help of other parliamentarians, a meeting with then Finance Minister Y.V. Chauhan was arranged in Delhi. This representation was heard, and the finance minister called the chairman of CBDT and checked the rules and its problem. After the meeting was over, immediately the rule 6DD subclass J was brought into book, which relieved the agriculturists and traders from the clutches of this section. In all these years, only one member from Salem has been elected to regional council and became the only chairman from Salem, CAK Sivaramakrishnan, during 1971. Even though our district lacked requisite number of members to form a branch, members from Erode were roped along, and in 1971, SIRC sanctioned for opening a branch. CAVV Soundararajan became the first chairman of the Salem branch of SIRC of ICAI. We operated from a rented building for over 20 years. During the initial years, the earlier chairman, CAVV Soundararajan, CAP Natarajan, CA SV Kesavan, CA TS Sankararaman, CA R Ramaswamy, CA KR Sarangapani, and CAS Venugopal were crippled with lack of office space and member data. Few years were dedicated to consolidate data about the members in Salem region. Since in those days, CPE was not mandatory, only a few meetings were organized on Income Tax, Companies Act, etc. Eminent speakers from Madras and Bangalore were called for addressing the members. Also, the department officials updated the members on the changes in the Income Tax Act and other indirect tax laws. CAS Venkatraman, after qualifying his chartered accountancy, joined in Lakshmi Vilas Bank as a chief accountant. Later, he shifted his passion towards practice. During his practice over these past 5 decades, he educated many members and students in the field of bank audit and addressed in various forums, having keen interest in learning technological updations. CAG Ranganathan. Before his tenure, the branch was functioning in a rented premises. CAG Ranganathan took tireless efforts and made the dream of purchasing a land in the name of Salem branch a reality. In his period, with huge contributions from members and by mobilizing funds from generous clients, this dream was materialized. It's the very first time that apart from Delhi and regional councils, a property was purchased in the name of institute. After the construction, the building was handed over to the institute. Salem is the only branch to get municipal tax waiver under the category educational institutions. This nonagenarian is a guiding force for all the branch activities and welfare of the members. CASP Chandragupta followed the legacy created by his predecessors. During his period, Salem branch received the Commendation Award for Best Performance from SIRC of ICAI. CAS Sriraman has taken various steps towards the benefit of the members and students. He is the election officer of the branch. He is regularly organizing the annual Pavitrotsavam function at Salem Kotai Shri Alagirinatha Swami Temple on behalf of Salem Chartered Accountants for the past 5 decades. CA V.S. Varadarajan. During his period, the building of Salem branch was inaugurated. The former Minister of Agriculture, Shri Veerapandi Arumugham, presided the function in the presence of CA Rahul Roy, President of ICAI, 3 past presidents, Central and Regional Council members. In that year, Salem branch received the Active Branch Award at SIRC level, a proud moment of the Golden Jubilee year of the institute. During his tenure, tax clinic for accountants and public was conducted for the first time. This practice is made an annual event. CAMA Rangarajan played a keen role for constructing the second floor of the branch building. He cleared all the loan liabilities related to the construction of the building. During his period, SIRC Golden Jubilee was celebrated in a grand manner with release of a souvenir. The branch has conducted 3 batches of Information Systems Audit course. During his tenure, also received affiliation for conducting coaching classes for CA course. The first batch of GMCS was conducted in 2003. The branch received excellent performance certificate from New Delhi in his period. CAR Vishwanathan. recently completed his 50 years of practice, has carried the fortunes created and maintained by all predecessors. During his period, Salem branch received highly commended performance certificate from ICAI. CA B.S. Ramadurai brought out the members' directory with photograph. During his period, Salem branch received highly commended performance certificate from ICAI and commendation award SICASA from SIRC. CAV Shaktivel conducted a special business meet with entrepreneurs. In his period, annual conference was held for the first time. This is continued year after year. Salem branch received commendation award from ICAI during his tenure. CAG Chennakesavan first time Best Branch Award received from ICAI. First live panel discussion on union budget in local TV channel. Opened annexure building in second floor. Computer lab was inaugurated for students. His committee started publishing monthly newsletters. In his period, the present Central Council member CAP Rajendra Kumar, when he held the chairmanship of SIRC, called the Salem branch to host the regional residential seminar at Erkard. From then onwards, it has become an annual event for both the SIRC and Salem branch. CAR Suresh. In July 2008, a special program was arranged to celebrate the Diamond Jubilee celebration of ICAI. The then Minister for Agriculture of Tamil Nadu, Sri Veerapandi Arumugam, was the chief guest, and the then Mayor Srimati Rekha Priyadarshini was the guest of honor. It was at this function the Minister made the momentous announcement of naming the street as ICAI Street, in which our branch is located. This is the only street in India to be named after our alma mater. The Salem Corporation passed a resolution on 29th August 2008 naming the street as ICAI Street. Salem branch was awarded highly commended performance certificate from ICAI for his period. CAS Natarajan. When ICAI formed a separate committee for women empowerment in the year 2009, the first convener of Women's Steering Committee, CA Priya Bansali, urged all the branches to conduct special seminars for women. Salem was the first ever branch in the whole of India to organize such a seminar under the chairmanship of CAS Natarajan. He was the first SICASA chairman of the branch. Salem branch received Best Branch Award at national level. CAG Gauthaman. During his tenure, the updated members directory was released. A mock tribunal was conducted for the first time. A digital library was inaugurated for the students in his tenure. He organized a state-level conference with Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry members participating in large numbers. Salem branch was awarded Best Branch Award at national level. CAM Shekhar. While he was the SICASA chairman, he conducted the first ever SICASA annual conference. Under his chairmanship, the first ever Youth Fest for students was organized. Salem branch was continued to receive Best Branch Award at national level in his tenure also. CAR Gunasekaran conceived the idea of Panchabhuta branches incorporating Salem, Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore and Palakkad branches to conduct joint sports events and seminars. He also organized joint seminars with sister bodies, Institute of Caste and Works Accountants of India and Institute of Company Secretaries of India under the banner Sangamam. Best Branch Award at national level was conferred on Salem branch during his tenure also. CAV Madhukar. During his tenure, the updated members directory was released. Highly commended performance certificate was received from ICAI. Best Branch Award was received from SIRC. While he was the SICASA chairman, Salem SICASA won the Best Branch of SICASA Award at national level. CAV Jayaprakash. Best Branch Award at national level and at SIRC level were received in his tenure. Also, Salem branch received Best Branch of SICASA Award both at national and regional level. CAA Saukat Ali. During his tenure, Salem branch received Best Branch Award at national level and at SIRC level. Also, Salem branch received Best Branch of Sikasa Award both at national and at regional level. CA A.V. Arun. Under his chairmanship of Salem Sikasa, he organized first ever Students Regional Conference. Also, he conducted first ever inter-branch sports meet. All India Best Branch of Sikasa for the first time awarded to Salem branch. During his tenure as chairmanship, Students' National Convention organized with highest number of participation. Salem branch was received Best Branch Award from ICAI and Best Branch of Sikasa at regional level. He was instrumental to our branch building renovation. CAV Ravindran. During his tenure, Salem branch was received Best Branch Award at national level and Best Branch of Sikasa Award from SIRC. CA S. Suresh Kumar. During his tenure, his committee released the updated members directory. Best Branch Award from ICAI and Best Branch of Sikasa from SIRC were received during his tenure. CA Sarada Ashok. First woman chairperson of Salem branch. First sub-regional conference conducted in her tenure. Best Branch Award at national level and Best Branch of Sikasa from SIRC were awarded to Salem branch. CA R. Pargavi, the current chairperson of Salem branch of SIRC of ICAI. Lockdown didn't knock down her spirits. She offered her complete dedication in conducting the events through virtual mode. Best example for her dedicated chairmanship is the recent virtual Panjabhuta conference hosted by Salem branch along with the branches Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore and Palakkad. More than 900 registrations were made for this virtual conference, which is a very huge feat. She was very enthusiastic and very keen in conducting this Golden Jubilee function too. It is our duty to remember the Sikasa chairman of Salem branch, CAPL Arumugham, CASR Shri Krishna, CAV Prabhakaran, CAN Balasubramanian, CAV Sudarshan, CAI Shivakumar, CAE Vigneshwar and CAUV Sujata, who brought laurels to Salem branch with their tireless efforts. Salem Sikasa received Best Branch Awards over various years. CA N. Santana Krishnan, a senior member, who brought CA Examination Center to Salem during his chairmanship of Salem Students Forum with his solid efforts. He was being a member of Direct Tax Advisory Committee of Government of India. CA N. Balasubramanian. This nonagenarian can be addressed as perfect example for ageless youngster. He never missed a meeting till he breathed his last. Salem branch is proud to have this all-women committee for the first ever time in all India. Thanks to our past chairman CAV Ravindran, who ignited this idea, our past chairman CA A.V. Arun took various efforts in constituting this committee. Salem branch of SIRC of ICAI is very much dedicated and concerned on the welfare of its members. The Chartered Accountant Benevolent Fund is the best example for it. 6 of our members have contributed the sum of rupees 1 lakh towards the fund. As a statutory body, we are not only concerned about the members and students, we also extend our hands to the society during the toughest times. The Salem branch has contributed relief materials and funds at the time of natural disasters, Chennai floods and Gaja cyclone, and stood supportive with the volunteers during the process. Even during this COVID-19 times, we joined hands with Amudha Surabhi Charitable Trust and provided food for the needy who were lost their means because of this global pandemic. We, as a branch and citizens of the country, has always been working around the clock for the benefit of members, students and society. We feel it's our duty to carry the glory of our forefathers who are our standing examples in their services toward the institute and society. Salem branch of SIRC of ICAI will continue its run without any rest and thrive towards the betterment of its members, students and society. காலங்கள் மாறலாம், காட்சிகள் மாறலாம், சரித்திரம் மாறாது. இவர்கள் சரித்திரம் படைத்தவர்கள். இனி வரும் தலைமுறையும் சரித்திரம் படைக்கும்.